In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make your older laptop run faster in Windows 11. So if you're having a laptop or PC and you wanted to make it looks like a new one or make it much faster rather than the previous one, then these are the steps you need to try in order to run it much faster and much new one. So to do so, what you need to do is this is what we have to do. So the first thing what we need to do is we have to go over here in the search and we need to type your phone settings. Then what you need to do is you have to click over here on this. Now, when you navigate to the settings, we need to take care of a few things first. That is all about we have to go to the apps. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to click on startup apps. Now over here, make sure that you have to disable all these kind of apps. So right now, as you can see, in my case, I have already disabled all these apps. So these are the apps that will be running in the background of a computer or laptop every single time when you restarted it or when you turn it on. So even though I don't want Cloudflare to be running in the background, so I have to disable it. So make sure that you have to disable all these kind of applications. And if you have something that still should be running, for example, you can just turn it on. But apart from this, it's always a good practice that you have to disable all these things one by one. So once you're done with this one, we just need to go back and click on the apps. Now from here, navigate to the installed apps. Now from here, what you need to do is over here at the top, you can change this one, that the sort by to largest mode. So what happens is you'll be able to find some of the applications which are much bigger in size. Right now, in my case, the Maiden NFL 27 is the bigger one with 61 GB and I'm having the Valorant with 32.2 GB. So if you find any applications, those are not using much, like in your cases, you can just remove it or it's not required. So my SQL shell is not required. So we click on the three dot menu and just go for uninstall and go for uninstall and just make sure that you have to do it one by one. So by doing so, what happens is the large kind of space that is occupied right now at the moment with all these kind of applications will be reduced, which especially when it comes to the C drive, which is going to improve the performance in all the way down. So you can try this out and just go for yes. And make sure that you have to remove all the unwanted things from here. Once you do this, we need to move to the few more thing. That is all about we have to go over here to the click on the system. And from here, we need to navigate to the storage here. And right now in the storage, it is very important that we have to turn on the storage sense. Make sure this should be turned on. And once you set this up, what happens is we can see the kind of a space will be calculated here. Then we just need to click on cleanup recommendations. Now what happens is it is going to give you this, then put a check on the downloads and go for cleanup system file over here. But that's not enough. You're just only going to free around 144 MB. That's not going to make a big difference. So what you need to do is click on see advanced option here. And right now, when you put a check on all these boxes, it is going to delete all these kind of things from the local disk C, especially which is going to help you guys out. So you can just go for cleanup system file and just go for yes. So this is one of the things where it sometimes for some users, this might be in GB, not MB. So definitely they're going to help you guys out. So once you're done with this one, that is not enough. We just need to go back to the system. And this time we have to scroll it down and navigate a few more things. That is all about. We just need to make sure for things like, the gaming and all kind of things. So you can just go to the gaming. So first go to the game bar and make sure that these all things are turned off. And you just need to go back here over here like this and go to the captures. Make sure these are has been turned off as well. Now we just need to go back and click on the game mode. And I'm a person who usually play a lot of games like, Maiden NFL, and like the Mortal Shell 2. So I have turned it on this. So if you're not a person who spend a lot of time in the gaming, you can keep this off. But if you're a person who play a lot of games, you can try turning on this. And once you turn on it, we just need to go back to the privacy and security. And from here, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and navigate to over here. And you have to find something called notification and make sure everything on the notification should be turned off. Because if it is turned on, a lot of notifications will be popping up, which is draining out your performance. So try disabling all the notifications here as well. Next one, go to the Windows update here and try updating the Windows, or make sure that you're not running in an older version of Windows. Or if you're having any kind of an updates like KB update or something, that is the reason why this is happening. So just make sure that you have to update your Windows as well. Once you've done this, you have to close this. That's not enough. We just need to go over here, type here for adjust the appearance over here and click on this. Once you got into this, we have to make sure few things first. First, what you need to do is you have to set this for adjust for the best performance. And what you need to do is you have to put a check on animations in the taskbar. Then what you need to do is we have to go over here, show thumbnails instead of previews can be done. And also go to the smooth edges on the screen And also make sure that you have to put a check on all these three things, which is very important. And also go for save taskbar and make sure that you're done for all these three things. Once you're done with this one, then what you need to do is you have to go for apply and go for OK. Then what you need to do is the last one, we have to go over here, type here for disk cleanup, and you have to click on this, go for local disk C, because local disk C should be free enough, or else we'll be having lower down performance. So go for OK. And now it will be calculating all those things. Put a check on all these boxes, go for cleanup system file and just go for OK. And right now it is going to free up the local disk C, and it's going to go for yes and go for delete files. Keep in mind this can take a little bit of time, and once it's successfully done, and if you just restart a computer and when you back on the laptop will be much faster and it will be look like exactly a new one with good performance as well. So these are the things, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.